Hey everybody! Today I'm going to be unboxing the new Hoover Rogue 970 robot vacuum. This is a smart vacuum, not just a robot. That's what they say. This one will run you about $500 at Best Buy and other select retailers. It's not the cheapest. I also have a Shark Ion. I don't remember the number, 750 I think it is. And that one ran me $350. The difference between the two, the Hoover Rogue is supposed to map your rooms of your house and remember that. So it'll go in nice patterns, whereas the Shark Ion robot vacuum just kind of goes wherever it wants. It goes all over the place. That one does a good job cleaning. It just doesn't go in necessarily the most efficient routes. If you're like me and you like your vacuum lines to be nice and straight and even, if that just makes you happy, like your OCD like that, then the Shark Ion robot is not for you because it has lines going everywhere. Like I said, it gets your carpet clean. It does a good job with that. I have really no problems with it, but this one is supposed to have a few more features. This one can connect to, well, they both can connect to your smartphone, so you can control it from there. But this one also is compatible with Alexa and with Google Home, so you can say, "Okay, Google, start up my Hoover Rogue," and it'll go clean. So, that's for $150 price difference. It's your call. What's important to you. It has smart wall technology, so not only will it not bump into your walls, but you can tell it certain rooms not to go into. Robart technology with memory, that's the navigation system that maps your house. Wi-Fi, so you can control it through your smartphone. Wi-Fi connected Hoover Home app, voice control through Alexa and Google Home Assistant. Auto docking, these things I already mentioned. Tri-clean system, so that's important because this is a vacuum. You want it to, clean your carpets. And it utilizes a trifecta of agitation, brushing, and suction to pick up dirt, dust, and pet hair. It's a Hoover, that's been around forever, so I think they probably know what they're doing. It says that it'll go slower over areas that are dirtier. So somehow it can sense how much dirt is there, and it'll slow down if there's like a spill or something. It'll slow down and concentrate on that area. Runtime up to 120 minutes, which is pretty good, 2 hours. My Shark robot that I have usually runs for about 40 minutes and then it docks itself. I'm not sure if that's because the battery is getting depleted or if it's because the trap is full of dirt, because it usually is, so I don't know. But anyway, 120 minutes is a long time. Here are those lines that I like. And here's the other robots. They just go willy-nilly anywhere they want to go. So you can get the app for iOS or Android and hook it up with your phone. Alright, let's get into the box. Alright, let's open it up, see what we got inside. So we've got this booklet, Go Rogue and Clean Differently. Open that up, see what that's all about. So inside we have the quick start guide. Just telling you to charge it before you use it, and the owner's manual. Comes in a few languages. Okay. Paperwork, schmaperwork. Underneath the trap door we've got a 2-prong power cord. This is the dock, so it'll just crawl on up and dock itself right there. And this will be up against, the back will be up against your wall. Okay. and the robot itself. And underneath the robot, probably, I'm assuming this is some sort of detangling comb in case something gets tangled up in the brushes. Let's check out this robot. The idea of a robot vacuum has always fascinated me. I've always wanted one, now I'm gonna have two. I hope to do a video sooner or later, time permitting, comparing the two, this Hoover Rogue 970 with the Shark Ion, to see the differences and what does what better. Alright, so just some important information, and here's what the guy looks like. Nice looking. I think it's roughly the same size as my Shark, but it's taller. So I don't know if that means it can hold more. Let's see here. Let's look at the underside. So this is a spinner. These are what goes onto the dock. It's got some rubber wheels, and these guys and this guy. I don't know what goes in. I guess maybe you can change out the battery if need be. Okay, and this is a little plastic roller here. So this thing will be able to swivel all over the place. I see the lid opens. So let's see here. Okay, so this is the lid down, and you have the home and the play, pause, or the start and pause. You can open the lid. And here's a power button, and these I'm guessing that these are the LED lights that will show through the lid when they're lit up. Push this to get your dust bin out, and how does that open? Probably read it because I don't want to break it. Just pulls open. This can come out to be washed, as well as this, the HEPA filter. And it's just sort of a tight fit. It doesn't really snap, but it just stays in there. And that's it. It's not a very big bin, but I think the idea of these is to run them daily and empty them daily, just because you're not the one doing it, so might as well run it every day. I know I don't run my regular one every day, that I have to push myself, so it keeps your floors looking nice. All you have to do is take this out and empty it. So that just goes in like that, push it down, and you're ready. Again, this is the Hoover Rogue 970. You can get it at Best Buy and other retailers for about $500. I'm excited to use it. I think that I like it even better than my Shark. I hope to get a video one of these days, time permitting, with a little comparison of the two, so you can see what, if it's worth the extra $150 more than the Shark or not. If you like this video, that's awesome. I appreciate it. If you want to subscribe, that's cool too. I try and do as many of these videos as I can. I try and get new tech fairly frequently, try them out and test them for you guys. If you didn't like it, I apologize.